If you're drinking nutrition shakes like Ensure or Boost because you think they're helping you stay stronger or heal faster, here comes the truth bomb. They might actually be making you weaker. I'm Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor, and I've been a physical therapist for over 35 years. I've seen these drinks handed out in hospitals, skilled nursing facilities, and during home health as healing nutrition. But when you flip that label, what you find is mostly sugar, seed oils, and synthetic vitamins, not the nutrients that your body needs to repair tissue, rebuild muscle, or reduce inflammation. So let's take a look at the numbers. A typical Ensure has about 9 grams of protein and more than 30 grams of carbs, mostly from sugar. That's 8 teaspoons in something marketed as a muscle and wound healing drink. And here's what most people don't realize. As we age, our bodies become more anabolically resistant, meaning that we need more high-quality protein to stimulate muscle repair and recovery than we did when we were younger. 9 grams isn't even close. You need, get ready to write this down, roughly 25 to 30 grams of complete protein in a single meal to trigger muscle protein synthesis, especially if you're over the age of 50 and you're recovering from surgery and healing from wounds. And if you truly need extra calories, they should come from anti-inflammatory fats like olive oil, avocado or avocado oil, coconut butter, or full-fat dairy, full of good fat and fat-soluble vitamins, not with corn syrup and seed oils. That's what you'll find hiding in those so-called nutrition shakes. I've seen countless patients who've had hip replacements, wound care, post-surgical recovery, patients who are amputees, drinking Ensure for strength, and yet they continue to lose muscle, heal slowly, and feel inflamed. That's because these drinks give you the calories without the capacity. They feed the fire instead of the foundation. And if you're taking a GLP-1 medication like Ozempic or Wegovy, this message is even more critical. And I've taken weight loss drugs years ago, the bad ones that everybody sued over. And what I found is those drugs suppress appetite, so you may eat less overall, including less protein. And that's exactly what I did. I'd have tortilla chips or a rice cake with peanut butter. If you fill the gaps with sugary shakes, you're not supporting healing. You're accelerating muscle loss and undoing progress towards better metabolic health. So what are some better alternatives? If you want real nourishment, reach for whole food protein and clean supplements that build you up instead of breaking you down. Now, I am not an affiliate, but I'll tell you what I use. I use Equip Prime. That's grass-fed beef isolate protein. That's my go-to for those who can't tolerate whey or want something simple and anti-inflammatory. It's made from 100% grass-fed beef and provides a complete amino acid profile to support muscle repair, wound healing, and recovery. Now, if you can tolerate whey, there's Levels grass-fed whey protein. These will be linked below. If you tolerate dairy, this is a clean, cold process option with no seed oils or gums. It's excellent for anabolic support and muscle rebuilding, especially after exercise or illness. And again, for extra calories, add in those healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, coconut milk or cream, grass-fed butter or ghee. Avoid the maltodextrin, the corn syrup, and the seed oils that you find in most nutrition drinks. They fuel inflammation and they will slow healing down. Because healing doesn't come from calories alone. It comes from giving your body the raw materials to rebuild. So, like protein, real protein. You deserve better than the senior shake scam. If this hits home, give it a like, share it with someone you love, and check below for trusted resources, including my ebook, Keto Made Simple, and the clean protein I personally use every day, Equip Prime, and I will also put the other one levels in there. This is Dr. Rose. Support your body. We're getting older. We need protein, and if you can't get it all in with whole foods, which I recommend is optimal, then you can supplement with a shake. This is Dr. Rose. I'll see you tomorrow in the next Daily Spoonful.